This is something so beautiful. It is the Lost Pines by Riverstone. It is a unique design inside and out, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the interior. Come on. It is a rainy day today, but it's not stopping us from filming this beautiful RV. Let's start off with this area here, where you'll see an L-shaped couch, and you'll notice the coloration is it's so warm and inviting. And you'll notice these windows are one-piece picture windows, and it looks just like a residential window, which I love. And it makes it just more, nice and cozy. You have your large TV, fireplace area, another massive window that you could if you have a mountain or a lake that you're looking out, or a beach, eating area for two. Now over here, we have a bar area, and you'll see there's plenty of space for all of your things. You can hang your glasses, wine bottles here, more wine bottles for storage down there. Drawers, everything is soft close. Okay. Now the kitchen has a different coloration than the bar area, and you'll notice a white counter space. Let's see. These magnets are strong. Plenty of space for everything that you need. So you can put your shoes up here as soon as you walk in through the door, and that is brilliant. Brilliant. Backsplash, beautiful, and it's simple, and it feels really nice and high quality. Large window. Was that necessary? It's built pretty solid. As well as this open shelving here. I love this. You can showcase your china, your plates and stuff. And if you notice, there is a Samsung in here. And I'm obsessed with this because I'm seeing this a lot in the Riverstones. I'm gonna show you guys the best part of all is this beautiful dishwasher that's not assembled yet, but when you purchase it and you assemble it, you will be washing dishes no more.
I thought you were the dishwasher.
I was. Currently am, but I don't have a dishwasher. I don't have this beautiful Lost Pines. Additional storage throughout. You have an oven, 4 burners, nice residential fridge.
She broke it.
You did not. This pantry pulls out. I mean, look how much storage. All right, now you have a pocket sliding door in here. Well, I just had to use my muscles, and this creates privacy as well as, noise barrier maybe. In the bathroom, we have a nice shower head, additional shower head, dark color. Love that because usually it's white, and this one has a little bit more contrast. The vanity is probably one of my favorite. This is just glorious. And ladies, I know you love this because a lot of the RVs, they don't have tons of space around the vanity. And so this is a great option just to showcase your cute little towels. Large mirror.
Look at the backlighting.
The backlighting is superb. It's just a vibe. There's backlighting down here underneath as well. In here you'll have more additional space for all of your stuff. Everything is soft close. And let me show you this quick little feature here. It's a medicine cabinet. More storage here if that's not enough for towels and things. A washer dryer combo. It's great because you have this space to fold out your clothes if you need to, do something here. And that's just tucked away. Additional storage for... These magnets are strong, you guys. They're not going anywhere. Toilet paper.
Let's see. Glass. Ceramic.
All right, so we have another sliding door here. And this beautiful arch. I mean, it's gorgeous. Coming to the back room. I'm gonna show you guys this gorgeous wall against the sconce. And we have the night tables. This lamp is perfect here. Additional storage down there, a large bed, and another table over on the other side. Sliding door right behind me. Closet space. These are pretty impressive, you know, and more space up there or down here in these drawers. And same with the other side. A gorgeous large window here and a TV up there. So lots and lots of space for everything that you need. Again, they're really great with storage, and we're just gonna walk through and I'm gonna just show you all of this together because it's so beautiful. It's so cozy and I love how inviting it is. And you could just have your friends here, host them for a glass of wine, enjoy a beautiful rainy day, and just enjoy company. So what do you guys think?